Good friends, understanding a key English phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common and important phrase in English, good friends. This phrase is not just about language, but it's about culture, emotion, and social connections. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what good friends means, but also how to use this phrase in your daily conversations. Good friends refers to people who have a strong, positive, and supportive relationship with each other. They are more than just acquaintances or casual friends. They share a deep bond, trust, and understanding. In this section, we'll explore the characteristics that make someone a good friend, such as trustworthiness, kindness, and supportiveness. To understand how good friends is used in conversation, let's look at some examples. John and Mary have been good friends since high school. I can always rely on my good friends when I need help. In these sentences, good friends signifies a strong and lasting friendship. Friendship is valued highly in English-speaking cultures. Good friends are often considered as important as family. In this section, we'll discuss how English speakers view friendship and why the term good friends is so meaningful in these cultures. Being a good friend is about more than just spending time together. It's about being there for each other, listening, and offering support. This section will give practical tips on how to be a good friend, such as being a good listener, being reliable, and showing empathy. Understanding the concept of good friends is essential for anyone learning English, as it's a phrase that's deeply rooted in culture and emotion. We hope this video has helped you grasp the meaning and importance of this phrase. Remember, being a good friend can make a big difference in someone's life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful English language learning content.